Hi, in this video we are going to implement destructuring in ECMA 6. So now I take one object data ID 1, name Nilesh, address is Valsar. So in ECMA 6 we can destructure, and destructure it will easy to assign value in a object array and object key to variable. Now I get name and address from object data. OBJ. Here what I do, here object data, and from object data I fetch name and addresses, and I print here log name is and name is deprecated. Here I take employee name. Now here what I do, from object data I fetch employee name and address, and I print out here. Now run this file node.demo.js. Now name is Nilesh and address is undefined, showing there address, and I get address and printing here also address. Now I rerun this file. Name is Nilesh and address is Valsar. So this way we can destructurize and we can fetch any object value and key value to the variable.